Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to return two controllers to one on your Nintendo Switch. So if you're playing like co-op or something before, we want to go back to controllers right here, select it, and go to change grip order. You can see I have both my Joy-Con controllers connected. Let's go to change grip order. Now you want to press the R and the L button on the top. So this will be right here. So you can see the top, L, and then R, right above the triggers. So press these at the same time, and you'll be able to add them to your Nintendo Switch as one controller now. Boom. Keep pressing this, and you can see it's added, left and right. So let's go back, and you can see on the screen, the left and the right are added. So just press those buttons, and you should be good to go, and press A, and it is now back to one controller. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.